Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or imposters that use my content and video titles in their videos while wearing cat heads. And I apologize for my voice. I have a very dry throat. I have been coughing up a little bit, and I'm very, very tired. And 2 o'clock, I go in to be tested for corona. If I have it, I probably have a mild case, but I did work a lot on the kitchen dishes tonight, and I put up a barrier for the drain flies, basically a large L-shaped section by the light. They like the light, and doing that and putting out apple cider vinegar tubs has made a huge difference. I don't have the massive clouds anymore, and in the bathroom I've just put apple cider vinegar in the sink and dish soap, and it's killing them. And there's some there's some of these fly paper in there, down to the last one. But when they head for the light, they're sticking on the fly paper. When they come off the light, they're sticking on the fly paper. All right, this is Burgh unboxing, but I had to leave the box behind because I thought I was going to have to carry my groceries. So this came in whenever I went to the store, Monday, I guess. And so this is Orchard Valley Cranberry Almond Cashew Trail Mix. Say that 3 times fast. Dried sweetened cranberries, almonds, and cashews. So this is 8 1-ounce bags, and I think whoever sent this, let's try this. Open it up. Also threw out a bunch of recycling. Not recycling, I threw out a bunch of garbage. But I did 2 racks of dishes. So here's the bag that says, there's something about visiting an orchard to pick delicious snacks straight from the trees. Getting to orchard may not be easy for you as it is for us. Treat yourself to the next best thing. Orchard Valley Harvest. Nothing artificial. Just as nature intended. Bringing you pure and simple goodness. Orchard Valley Harvest. Gluten-free, made with real fruit, low sodium, non-GMO. Will last till January 2021. 16% added sugar, 10 grams of sugar, vitamin D 0, calcium 2%, iron 4%, potassium 2%, total fat 11%, 9 grams, no trans fat, cholesterol 9%, sodium 1%. Why does everybody have to put salt in sodium? We have people with high blood pressure. Carbohydrates 5%, dietary fiber 7%. One package is 140 calories. Little tiny bag, and which I can't open. There we go. Maybe that's it. There we go. All right. So let's try these. I do not like cashews, to be honest with you, but I'll eat them. Aren't bad. Just not a big fan of cashews. My mother used to leave walnuts, cashews, pecans, all the nuts I don't like, in a big bowl. Cranberries okay. What else is supposed to be there? Almonds. No, they're all right, but of course, nothing's like Blue Diamond barbecue almonds. And the almonds in the Hershey bar. Well, given what it is, this isn't bad. If I saw these in the store, I would probably buy them. I just found out my throat hurts to swallow. And that's another thing with this. You feel better, and I felt better tonight, and then you get worse. So, and right here, my chest is hurting when I breathe. So this is not a good thing. I don't know what they can do if I am positive, but I hope not. I got enough trouble. Well, I thank the person for this, and I appreciate it. I'm going to bed. I hope the stupid flies will be gone by the end of the week. And at 11ish, I get up, go to San Francisco, get tested, come home, feed the cats, and stay inside. One way or the other. All right, this is George Senda, guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry or cool as the case may be. Fuzzy is playing. Oh, Fluffy is playing my inhaler. Oh my God. Something about that inhaler they like. He's playing at my Advair inhaler. Or is that Fuzzy? I think it's Fuzzy. She loves that Advair inhaler. If I'd only known, I would have saved some for her when they're empty. I would have opened them up and glued them back together again. She loves playing with that thing. I'll have to write the Advair company or call them and say, can you send me one that doesn't have any drug in it? My cat loves to play with them. All right, bye-bye for now. Oh, no provision that I can find in the stimulus package just passed for the Senate to pay senior citizens or the disabled on Social Security income a check. So we get screwed. Bye-bye.